So, you want to move your Solana tokens from your Bitget exchange account to your Phantom wallet. I got you. Many crypto users in the USA and elsewhere manage their Solana by moving it between exchanges like Bitget and personal wallets like Phantom for security or to interact with Web3. First, log into your Bitget account and go to your assets or spot wallet, then find Solana Sol and select Withdraw. Next, open your Phantom wallet. Ensure you are on the Solana network. Click your wallet name at the top to copy your Solana address. Go back to Bitget Paste. This copied Phantom address into the withdrawal address field. Select the Solana network, often just labeled SOL, and enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Carefully review all details, especially the address and network, before completing Bitget's security verification steps, like two-factor authentication or email codes to confirm the withdrawal. And that's it!